Ever wished you could directly edit those stubborn PDF files within the powerful creative environment of Adobe Photoshop? Well, get ready to unlock that capability. To begin, simply go to File, then open in Photoshop, navigate to the PDF file you want to work with and select it. Photoshop will then present you with the crucial PDF import options dialog box here. You get to decide how each page of your PDF is brought into Photoshop. You can choose to import specific pages by selecting pages from the drop-down menu. This is perfect if you only need to work with one or two pages from a multi-page document. Use the page drop-down to select the exact page you wish to import. Under Crop To, you can choose what part of the PDF page you want to bring in. Media will import the entire page as it's intended, while other options like Trim or Art might exclude margins or specific design elements. Crucially, pay attention to the resolution. For most editing and print work, a resolution of 300 pixels per inch is recommended for crisp quality. You can adjust this based on your project's needs. Ensure your color model is set to RGB for digital projects, or CMYK if you're preparing for professional printing. Leaving anti-aliasing checked will help ensure that any text or smooth lines in your PDF are rendered with soft edges, preventing jaggedness. Once you click OK, your PDF page will open in Photoshop. As a pixel-based image, it will typically appear as a single layer, which means you can now treat it like any other raster image. While it's now a pixel layer, if you need to manipulate different elements of the PDF as separate pieces, you might need to use Photoshop's selection and masking tools to isolate them. For example, you can select text or shapes and then copy and paste them onto new layers. Now you can freely use all of Photoshop's powerful editing tools. Resize, retouch, add effects, composite it into other designs, or even extract specific elements with ease. This opens up a world of possibilities for combining your PDF content with your creative vision directly within Photoshop. Happy editing!